Good morning everybody, welcome here to another video. Decided today to start a little daily vlog, a day in the life, simply because I have a feeling you might be bored of the house vlogs. I mean, hopefully you're not, but I'm gonna do this. There's still going to be some house things in it, so don't worry if you're here for the house content. But I decided to just start filming a video, but if you'd like to keep watching, then I hope you enjoy. It's currently the 14th of January and it's actually my birthday, so happy birthday to me. I'm gonna do my makeup now just to make myself look a little bit more pretty and presentable. I don't really have any plans for today. I am going for lunch with one of my friends, then seeing Aaron I think, and then I think we're just gonna stay in the house and have some dinner and basically do that. So nothing too crazy, but I'm excited nonetheless. There are a couple of updates on the house. I was there actually last night and I filmed some bits, so I might insert them here. I need your pencil.
I tak samo w tamtych bathroom.
Come on, we need to sign our bathroom. We always do this. I do that when I'm doing things in the house there. What do we say? Let's sign our bathroom. Marta and Aaron's bathroom. It's hard to write with these. So this is what the room is looking like now. As you can see, we have actual doors into the bathroom now. Well, not doors, but an entryway. And this is where the wardrobes are going to be, over here and over here, with like a little desk. And then when you walk straight into the bathroom, this is what it looks like so far. So there's going to be the toilet with some shelves above, and then the sink is going to be here, then the bath, then the radiator, and then a shower here. So yeah, that's what it's looking like now, and it's progressing. Is that what the word is? Progressing? Yeah. I'll give them a sneak peek of the colour. This is the colour. Ha! That's all you get. That's all you get. But it is very exciting, trust me. We're getting ready to go to B&Q for some more materials. I need to turn the light off here. But yeah, we're getting ready to go to B&Q and yeah, just get some materials. More stair creaking. Aaron's sweeping the floor because that's where they were cutting the kitchen cupboards, so fun times. B&Q time. I did.
It is heavy.
Very exciting. So as you can see from those clips, the bathroom is slowly coming along. I mean, you probably can't really see the difference, but I can. At least you can see like what the room is going to look like what the space is going to be like. So that's exciting. Our kitchen is also well, it's not finished at all. Like there's loads of things to be done, but it's coming along. Some of the presses are already on the walls, and I'm telling you now, I'm loving it so much. When I saw it yesterday for the first time, I was obsessed. I was like, oh my god, that is going to look so good. So that's very exciting, and I decided not to show it to you. I know you're probably going to kill me, but I'm going to show it to you at the end when it's finished, simply because I've really just want to show you like the before and after. I think it's going to be more dramatic than me showing you every step by step. I'm still filming some clips, so I will show you those afterwards, of like the in progress maybe clips. But as for now, I'm not going to show you the kitchen because it's going to be literally finished like next week. I still need tiles on the walls, but that can be filled in a couple of days after. So once the tiles are on, I'm going to show you what it looks like. But at the moment, I'm going to keep it a little surprise because I really love it, and I think it's going to be nice to show you all when it's finished. Does anybody else just put bronzer as their eyeshadow all the time? Because it's like the easiest thing to do, and it makes such a difference. And even though it's my birthday, do I want to put eyeshadow on? Probably not. I might. Should I make the effort? I hope you can't hear the Hoover, but if you can, apologies. I'm doing my brows, and recently I've been using the Refi products, and I'm loving them. It does kind of take a little bit longer to do my brows than usually, but I do love the way they look after, so would highly recommend. So the plan for today is I'm going out for lunch, as I said, and then I'll be collecting my dad in the evening because he's going to be coming to my house here, as I said. So I'll be at the house later on, so I'll be able to show you more updates from the bathroom. So you get two bathroom updates in this vlog. So for lips, I've been using the Refi Lip Sculpt in the shade Fawn, and it's basically like a pencil that you just line your lips with and fill them in. And then it comes with this kind of gel setter thing that you just apply on your lips on top of it, and it like seals it and it doesn't budge for the day. And then on top, I do have the gloss that comes with this because I bought it as well. But on top recently I've been using the Fenty Beauty, what is it called? Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow 01. And it's like it's basically a gorgeous, gorgeous lip gloss. My friend got it for me for Christmas, and I have been obsessed ever since. It's like the perfect shade to go with that fawn lip liner thing. And yeah, that's my makeup done. Look at my cute roses that I got yesterday in work, from the girls in work. Very cute. I have to straighten my hair now, and then I'll be finished getting ready. Where's Tiga? Tiga keeps walking after me everywhere. So I just finished getting ready. I'm all ready for the day. But Tiga's here. And as you can see, we're on the bed, which is now my floor. And I'm sleeping on my brother's mattress. So, hi brother if you're watching. Sorry, but I have nowhere else to sleep, so I have to. But yeah, I think we're just going to chill. It's currently, what time is it? 11:25, so I should be going soon enough. But I wanted to show you what I got for my birthday. And you know you're old when you ask for this. You ready? I got a ironing board, and I also got this, which is very exciting. I got an iron and an ironing board, and I'm absolutely over the moon with myself. Also, if you haven't seen, because I haven't shown you before, I don't think, these are all my boxes of things for the house. There's my makeup packed away, there's some of our other stuff. So yeah, it's mayhem over there, and it's crazy. And I'm putting it all there in that room simply because it's the only room that I can put stuff into without it being kind of in the way. I also have another update, which I might prop you up somewhere to tell you this one. The update is that my mum is going to be moving out of this house. I don't know if you've been here long enough, but when we arrived to this house, I did like a room tour and I filmed so many videos like right over there. So if you have been here that long, thank you. Thank you for sticking by. But we moved here, I believe, 6 years ago, and it's time to move. So my mum will be moving, and because it's all kind of coming out of nowhere and it has to be done as soon as possible, we got a house I think last week, which is very exciting, and I think we're getting the keys next weekend, which is crazy. But it means that I have to move from here to that new house to then move again in like a month or so to mine and Aaron's house. So it's a little bit crazy at the moment, and thinking of trying to pack all of my belongings, all of my new house stuff. I even have furniture downstairs that that's for the new house, and that's gonna have to come with me to this house to then get moved again, which is a little bit of a nightmare, but I'm glad that they got a house, and it's just a relief since there's literally nowhere for rent in Ireland these days. It's just such a shortage of houses. So I feel like even though it's going to be a little bit of a pain, I'm glad they got something, and yeah, it just has to be done. So I feel like that's something you're going to see in the next couple of weeks or days. You'll see me packing up, and if you're wondering why I'm packing up, that is why. But yeah, just thought I'd update you in case you're going to be wondering why I'm moving so much. I still have my Christmas nails on. They still haven't chipped or anything like that, as you can see. They still haven't chipped or anything. It's biab that I did myself, but so I'm just gonna let them keep growing, and when eventually one of them lifts, I'll do new ones. But I didn't even want to bother today. At first I was like, oh, maybe I'll get some birthday nails done. Nah, it's okay. It's grand. Hello everybody. So it's a little bit later now. It's like 4:30. I was out with one of my friends for lunch. I didn't film that because we just chat a lot when we're out, and there's literally no point in filming that, and I also forget to film when I'm out with her. But I did that, and now I'm at the house. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. I'm not showing you the kitchen because I kind of want you to see the final thing. But I'm going to film some previews. No, I'm going to film some, but I'm going to film some shots of it now to show you what it looked like in progress in the next few vlogs. We were just in B&Q once again. I feel like I should have a loyalty card for that place now, because I seem to be there almost every day. But yeah, we had to pick up some last few bits. I mean, I say it all the time, just more bits, not last, because they're not last for sure, but more bits. And then we also went to Lidl for some food shop, and then I came home, and as you saw, I tried out a tester of paint, which I actually really like in the end. We put the tile against it and it looks really nice, so I'm delighted with that. Let's hope Aaron likes it. I'll have to show it to him when I get home. But yeah, we've had a pretty chill morning and pretty chill day. I'm actually heading to Aaron's right now just to relax for the rest of the day. There's no plans as such for today. I'm thinking I might grab an insomnia on the way to his house because I have a free birthday drink from them, so I might as well pick it up. So I think I'm gonna get that and then head over to his. So let's do that and get some coffee. I'm going to end the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was kind of like a 2 days in the life with a little bit of home content. I don't even know what I vlogged, and it was only 2 days, like 1 day ago. But I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I'm trying to make my vlogs a little bit shorter, but have them out for you like twice a week now, so that's why they're kind of short and not much is happening in them, but that's because I want to put them out for you a lot more. But I hope you're enjoying them. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.